Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the sweet and spicy papaya chutney, a great source of vitamins and minerals to spice up your weekday meals. To begin, take 500 grams of ripe papaya. Make sure it's not overripe or your chutney will become mushy. De-seed, peel and dice it into bite-sized pieces. Heat half a cup of mustard oil in a pan to smoking point and let it cool a bit. Add 2 teaspoons mustard seeds, sarson, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, methi dana, 2 tablespoons fennel seeds, sauf, half teaspoon nigella seeds, kalonji, and quarter teaspoon asafoetida hing. Allow them to splutter. Add in 2 medium onions, finely chopped, and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Saute until the onions are translucent. Add in the diced papaya. Mix well. Next, add in the dry masalas. 1.5 teaspoons salt or to taste. 1 teaspoon black salt or kala namak. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons cumin powder jeera. Saute. Add a bit of water if required. Cover with the lid and cook until the papayas soften a bit. Next, add in half a cup brown sugar and 6 tablespoons white vinegar. Cook until the sugar melts. The liquid dries up a bit and the oil starts appearing on the sides. Finish with a teaspoon of crushed green cardamoms and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. The sweet and spicy papaya chutney is ready to serve. Enjoy with puris or parathas. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.